There's an African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. And if you want to go far, go together. And that's exactly what Norma Rose Point is. We are going far because we work together. Collaboration is a word you've heard over and over, and it defines us.
We really value the power of the group here. And so what we're really exploring and actually still really investigating, because I don't think there's one formula that is, this is the way you do it to make groups successful. And what we're trying to teach the kids is that we have to be able to work in a variety of groups, and not just group sizes, but a variety of people.
We're always talking about what we're doing. We're always reflecting on what we've done, planning both in advance and in the moment. And that regular talk that we're doing, professional talk, has helped me develop more as a teacher than just going to a workshop once every 3 months.
One word to describe the school would be new. The whole teaching system is a completely new idea to me, as well as the way the school is built, where you have 3 classrooms to make a pod, and those 3 merge together for different group classes such as math.
I love the fact that this is a very organic space. And what I mean by that is that, like in every ecosystem, living things find the place where they feel best. And this school has so many opportunities for kids to seek out the spot, to sit, to work, to think, to interact with their friends, to talk to their teachers.
Here at Norma Rose Point, learners are like at the core, at the heart of the school, and everything is revolving around this. So the type of learning we get is just based on us.
All learners are different, and the teachers try to accommodate every learner, even though they aren't all taught in the same way. It's like in music class in exploratory, how each different group of instruments plays a different instrument, and it's all different. And the music teacher teaches them all in different ways because they have different notes and keys and stuff. At the end, when they play together, they all sound the same and they sound beautiful like a symphony, and they all just work together even though they're all different.
I try to talk to teacher candidates about possibility to change education and to make it more fit for the era that we live in, and to make it more flexible and more open and more that learning would be child-centered and engaged.
The most challenging thing at the school, I think, is our research projects. They're very different than what I have done in the past. They're called inquiry projects, so we have to ask questions, open-ended questions, which are very hard to answer. And in our process of answering them, we have to try to find more questions that we need to answer, so we can have a very clear and focused.
So instead of learning things from a book, let them ask their own questions and trying to integrate as many different disciplines as we can. And the teachers are doing an amazing job.
You're always second-guessing because it's very easy to go back to traditional. It's comfortable. But the challenge is for educators to bring themselves out of that comfort zone and to do what's best for children in today's world. Because this is a school of the present, so it's time for us to be courageous and to work hard and to try new things.